Welcome to Clay House, a magical world created from soft clay and skillful hands. Let's get started. Applying the adorable pink wallpaper. Adding some striped patterns to make it more vibrant. Now let's make a fancy bathtub, using a compass to draw a perfect circle. Don't forget to draw 2 super cute cat ears. Carefully cut along the drawn line. Be precise. Cover it with a layer of your favorite pink clay. Wow! Adding a rhinestone trim makes it look so elegant. This plastic cup will be the perfect base for the tub. Let's assemble the parts. Doesn't it look amazing? Making a shower head from clay and a button. Using a green straw for the shower pipe. It looks so sparkly! A miniature Hello Kitty shower gel is a must-have. Pouring the water in, it's ready for a bath. Next up is a super cute Hello Kitty toilet. Attach the lid and the flush handle. So simple! Another sparkling item is born. Making a little mat and some cute slippers. Now we're making the dream bunk bed. Wrapping the cardboard pieces with pink clay. This step requires care for a really smooth surface. Adding lace and a rainbow ribbon. Oh, so beautiful! Using cardboard to create the bed frame. Adding a white clay trim for an elegant touch. The bunk bed is taking shape. Making some heart-shaped and bow-shaped pillows. These bows are so adorable. Making a yellow ladder to climb to the top bunk. Hanging some Hello Kitty pictures to make the room cozy. And now for the special feature, a rainbow slide. Adding a pearl border makes the slide even more dazzling. Sculpting a big Hello Kitty head for the top of the slide. signature red bow. Attaching the head, it looks so fun! At the bottom of the slide is a ball pit full of candy. So tempting! Let's move on to the kitchen area. Using cardboard to create the base for the cabinet and table. Covering the tabletop with marbled blue clay, it looks so refreshing! The glittery trim makes everything pop! A mini electric stove with 2 burners. Making a tiny cute frying pan. That steak looks delicious! A small flower pot to decorate the kitchen. The chairs must match with a cute pink bow. Finally, a comfy sofa for the living room. Decorating with white lace and pearls, a true masterpiece. The flower-shaped coffee table is so sweet! Visiting the house. The hamster seems very interested. make the bed. Use pink clay to wrap a small piece of cardboard for the mattress. Create a light pink blanket with a quilted pattern and white lace trim. It looks so cozy. Make the house-shaped frame for the bunk bed from cardboard and pink clay. Don't forget decorative details like the Barbie logo and a rainbow pillow. So cute! Next up, a cute mini backpack with lots of glitter. Wow, so glittery! Every doll needs a shoe rack. Let's build a shelf and decorate it with rhinestones. Create tiny shoes in different colors. Oh, these are the cutest shoes ever! Time for an unboxing. A new doll and her accessories. What a surprise! Make the room more fun with a glittery rainbow slide. Place it next to the bed and fill the ball pit with pink pearls. This is a dream room. Time for the table and chairs. Let's start with a glittery table and 2 matching chairs. Look so elegant with tufted seats and pearl legs. Absolutely gorgeous! Add a mini laptop and books to the table to complete the study area. The entire room is complete. It's a true masterpiece. The hamster is going down the slide. Unbelievably cute. He's exploring the new desk area. What a sweet moment.